Hi again, everyone. I'm Dr. J, your Pre-Health Pathways Advisor here at the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. In today's video, I just want to talk to you a little bit about our PHEVERS program. PHEVERS stands for Pre-Health Experiences in Volunteering, Education, Research, and Shadowing. As you may or may not already be aware, there are a number of things that pre-health students are going to need to do to be competitive candidates when they're applying for professional programs in healthcare. Our PHEVERS program helps our students to cover all of those bases and also gives them an opportunity to learn more and grow professionally as they prepare for those careers. To complete the PHEVERS program, a student needs to do the following. First, they're going to need to gain 200 hours of volunteer experiences. 50 of those hours need to be clinically or medically relevant. Second, they have to engage in education of themselves and of others. When we talk about education of self, we're talking about professional development, and our students must attend a certain number of pre-health learning events to complete this requirement for the program. When we're talking about education of others, we're talking about outreach to the community. And again, our students need to complete a number of these outreach activities to be able to complete the PHEVERS program. While research is not a requirement for most professional programs in healthcare, it can really help you to grow as a professional, and it looks really great on an application. So, our PHEVERS students are required to complete one scientific research project, and then they have to present that research in a formal way. Presenting their research can be done in a written or in an oral fashion. For those who are doing oral presentations of their work, this can be conducted at a scientific conference or can be conducted at the colloquium that we host here at the South Dakota School of Mines each spring. And finally, shadowing. This is one of the biggest components to getting into any career in healthcare. You must understand what the career is and what a day-to-day looks like for a person who works in that career field. To that end, our students in PHEVERS are required to complete 50 hours of shadowing under at least 2 different healthcare professionals, preferably who are working in either different health careers or different specialties within the same career. That way a student is getting a couple of different perspectives of what it means to be a professional in their career of choice. Our PHEVERS students are also required to attend monthly meetings. At these meetings, we will either talk about various healthcare topics, bring in a guest speaker, or sometimes have a Q&A panel to be able to help people explore some of the different areas of healthcare and to be able to grow in their knowledge of their chosen pathway. Self-reflection is a very important part of the PHEVERS program, as is documentation. So at the end of each semester, students fill out a form where they take the time to reflect on the activities that they engaged in over the past semester in the 4 major areas of PHEVERS: volunteering, education, research, and shadowing. By filling out this form, students are not only documenting what they've done so that they have a backup copy in case they lose their own personal records of their accomplishments before applying to professional programs, but they also have the ability to reflect on the meaning of the experiences that they went through over the past semester. This is a very good exercise for helping you to see your own professional development and to be able to create goals for the coming semesters. Students may begin the PHEVERS program at any time while they are here at the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. Some of our students begin the PHEVERS program in their freshman year, while others don't join the PHEVERS program until later. There's no bad time to get into the PHEVERS program. The intention behind the program is to meet students where they are and help them get where they want to go. If you want to join the PHEVERS program, you can find a link to the application on our blog, The Atrium, or you can email me and I will send you some additional information as well as the link to the application form. Please let me know if you have any additional questions about our PHEVERS program or would like to know more. Thanks and have a good one!